Hey everyone, let's write a Python function to add two numbers. First, type def. Now let's define our function. Type addnums, su, followed by opening and closing parentheses. Okay. Then add a colon. This indicates we're starting the functions block. I'm so nervous typing and talking at the same time. Now, let's indicate the expected data type. Type T and TE after DEEX. Oh, sorry about that. Look at that, something popped up. Let's continue. Okay, I'm retyping that, and there are some warnings appearing now. Warnings highlight potential issues. Okay, let's try rewriting that. I'm not great at typing and talking at the same time. Notice the errors. Okay, let's try again. I'm deleting everything, and attempting to define the function's arguments properly this time. Still refining the code now. Okay, let's correct that function definition. I'm still getting used to talking while typing. Sorry about that. Now, typing print add numbers 5-3 will test our function. Hopefully this output is a bit clearer. Wow, that was rough audio. Now, updating the type hints and adding a print statement lets us test the function. Now, the result is displayed as 9. As you can see, the program correctly outputs the sum, which is 9. I'll admit, voiceover tutorials aren't really my thing, so instead, let's explore NarrateAI, a tool that makes adding voiceovers to videos like this simple and painless. Start creating your narration now. You'll find detailed subscription options here, and right now, enjoy a 40% discount on all plans. Remember to apply the discount code during checkout. Let's review the plans. You can select the one that best fits your needs, and you'll notice each tier offers increased minutes and features. Don't forget that limited time offer. Now, this platform transforms silent videos into engaging content. Start creating now.